In today's video, I will show you how to fix a Bluetooth controller not working in Minecraft on iPhone or iPad. If your controller is connected but not responding in game, follow these steps carefully and you should be back to playing in no time. Let's get started. So step 1 is fully close Minecraft. Don't just minimize the app, close it completely so it's not running in the background. Step 2 is open Bluetooth settings. Now open the settings app on your iPhone or iPad and from here tap on Bluetooth. Under my devices you should see your Bluetooth controller listed. Tap the information or eye icon next to your controller name. Now select forget this device and confirm when prompted. This removes the old Bluetooth connection which is often the cause of the issue. After forgetting the controller, turn Bluetooth off on your iPhone or iPad. Wait about 10 seconds or 15 seconds, then turn Bluetooth back on. Now put your Bluetooth controller into pairing mode. Once it appears under other devices, tap on it to reconnect. Wait until the controller shows as connected. After reconnecting the controller, launch Minecraft again and load into world and test the controller to see if it's working properly. If your controller still doesn't work, you need to try these steps. And that's how you can fix a Bluetooth controller not working in Minecraft on iPhone or iPad. I hope you liked the video. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.